Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make a video collage in the Capcut app, so let's get started. First, open the Capcut app on your phone or tablet. Once you're inside, you'll see different options on the home screen. Here, tap on New Project or New Video to begin. After that, your gallery will open. You can see your photos, videos, and even live photos. Now just choose the clips you want to combine into a collage. Take your time to pick the best moments, and when you're done, at the bottom, you'll find several tools, so just scroll a bit and tap on the collage option. As soon as you open Collage, CapCut will show you multiple layout styles. Each layout is different. Some place your videos side by side, while others stack them in different shapes. Simply browse through and select the layout that looks best for your project. Once you've chosen a layout, tap on Ratio. Here you can pick the size format depending on where you want to publish your collage. For example, choose 16:9 if you're planning to upload on YouTube, or select 9:16 if you want to post it on TikTok, Shorts, or Reels. After selecting the ratio, tap Continue. Now you can make adjustments to your collage, like changing the position of your clips, resizing frames, editing duration, or adding effects. You can also modify the background, apply filters, and tweak the look so it fits your style. Once everything looks good, tap on Export in the top right corner. CapCut will process your collage and save it directly to your device. You can now share it on any platform or send it to friends. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.